The first chapter आपका जो है वो है एंजाइम। और सुनिए enzymatology study of the enzyme, enzymatology study of the enzymes। enzyme ये जो चीज है this enzyme it will be always considered as a biocatalyst, 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 biocatalyst। enzyme should always be referred as a biocatalyst। What is the role of the enzyme? Before do anything, it will speed up the reaction. It will speed up the reaction without changing its without changing itself. It will speed up the reaction without changing itself. If I am talking about without changing itself, if I am talking about it without changing itself, that means I am talking about the structure of it. If I am talking about the without changing itself, that means that it will be structure of it. What do you want to say about that? If two molecules are there, and in between that two molecules, the reaction was happening, but slow. The molecules है, एक assumption के system किया, two molecules है, reaction was there, but it is a very slow type of reaction. If we are going to involve the enzyme, it will accelerate the reaction. बीच में आता हूँ it will accelerate the reaction without changing itself. जो बीच में आता it will accelerate the reaction without changing itself. बीच में आना accelerate करना reaction को, फिर वो reaction से निकलना। Simple. That is the name that we will call as a enzyme. So enzyme will always considered as a biocatalyst, which will speed up the reaction without changing itself. Okay. And they are specific in their action. They are specific in their action. Specific in their action. Second characteristic of the enzyme is the specific in their action. What do you mean by specific in their action? Enzyme, which for what purpose it has been designed, it will do that one only. एक एंजाइम है आपका, उसको गाइड किया गया कि you need to target that particular compound or that particular molecule, it will target that particular molecule, not the others. For an example, you have seen in the previous classes that glucose will going to convert into the glucose
6-phosphate.
6-phosphate. In the presence of enzyme,
Glucokinase
or
hexokinase.
Example, glucokinase or hexokinase. Now this glucokinase or hexokinase has these are the enzymes. Those enzymes. So it has been designed in such a way that they will only react when the sugar molecules are going to get present. They are not going to work on the proteins. They are not going to work on the lipids. So we can say that they are specific in their action. If they are going to find the glucose, then only they are going to react. These enzymes are specific in their action. ये enzymes को specific action है, ठीक है? Whenever they will find the glucose, then only they will react and turn the glucose into the glucose 6-phosphate. If they are going to find the protein, they are not going to react. If they are going to find the lipids, they are not going to react. So in that basis, we can say that enzymes are specific in their action. They are specific in their action. Okay, specific in their action. Third major category, so the major first feature of this cell, these are the thermoliable. There are two types of terminologies are there: thermostable, thermoliable. thermostable and thermolabile. Thermostable means they can withstand with the higher temperature. They can withstand with the higher temperature. ज़्यादा temperatures को बर्दाश्त कर सकते हो ना, तो ऐसे कंपाउंड को क्या बोलते हैं? thermostable. thermolabile किसको बोलते हैं? they cannot withstand the higher temperature. They cannot withstand the higher temperature. So the three major points for the enzymes are the biocatalyst. Second thing, they are specific in their action. Third thing, it is a thermolabile. They are thermolabile. They cannot withstand the higher temperature. So the higher temperature is going to get exposed to this enzyme. The enzyme will get denatured. Okay. Then now the enzyme generally made up of two components. A whole enzyme will be considering as a holoenzyme. The enzyme will always be considering as a holoenzyme. ठीक है, एंजाइम को अगर कंप्लीट बोलना है अगर आपको, आप बोलेंगे holoenzyme. Now this holoenzyme, it has been made up of the holoenzyme. It has been made up of two things. That is the apoenzyme plus coenzyme. Apoenzyme and the coenzyme. Apoenzyme and coenzyme, if they are going to together, they are going to get formed. They will be called as a holoenzyme. Apoenzyme and the coenzyme together they will be called as a holoenzyme. Now these apoenzymes, these are the protein in their nature. It is pure protein. And it is a three-dimension protein. They are three-dimension protein. Primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structures पढ़े, ठीक है? Three-dimension. Three-dimension protein. Now, in that three-dimension protein, there is a cleft or depression like things are there. Depression like things are there. That will be called as a active site. Active site. Enzymes are the protein in the nature. यहाँ पे भी पहुँचे. Most of the enzymes are protein in the nature. Most of enzymes are protein in the nature. बात अगर आप मास्टर्स के लिए गए तो उसे डिस्कशन आ सकता. All the enzymes are protein in the nature. Is it true or is it false? It's false. Most of the enzymes are protein in the nature. Not all the enzymes. There are exceptions are there. Previously, when the first discovery was happening, at that time they have been observed that all the enzymes were protein in the nature. Later on, they have rectified the thing and they have said that not all the enzymes are protein in the nature. Most of the enzymes are protein in the nature. Exceptions are there. Okay. So coming to the apoenzymes, these apoenzymes are the protein part of the enzyme. दो parts को मिलके एक enzyme बना हुआ है. एक है apoenzyme, the second thing is the coenzyme. Apoenzyme and the coenzyme, two parts of the enzyme. Now this apoenzyme, it is a protein in the nature, and they will going to have in the cleft-like depressions. That cleft-like depressions in the enzyme will be called as a active site of the enzyme. Now, to this active site of the enzyme, the substrate will going to come and bind. To this active site of the enzyme, substrate is going to get bound. छोटा सा एग्जांपल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन द सबस्ट्रेट. Substrates is nothing but on which the enzyme will act. Substrate is a molecule on which the enzyme will going to get act. Example, here the glucose it is there. Glucokinase and hexokinase is a enzyme. Now these things are working on the glucose, so the glucose will be acting as a substrate. ठीक है, glucose will be acting as a substrate. The enzyme is acting as a the glucokinase and the hexokinase. समझ में आई बात आपको? So those active site which is present on the above enzyme, these active site are highly specific in their action. Highly specific in their action. So to that active site, the substrate will come and bind. And each active site has been designed with a special channel. It is like a lock and key. It is like a lock and key. आप ये रूम की की से वो रूम का लॉक नहीं खोल सकते. In the same way, the active site it has been designed with a special channel. It will receive that particular thing only with forward the thing has been designed. ठीक है? So उसको अच्छे से अगर समझना अगर लेकिन मैं आपको so the enzyme can be also represented. So this depression cycling will be called as the to this active site the substrate will going to come and bind. The substrate will going to come and bind. ठीक है? And that active sites are the very specific in their very specific in their nature. Now coming to the coenzyme. Coenzymes are nothing but these are the special type of supporters to the enzymes. Special type of supporter to the enzyme. Now in that coenzyme there are three different categories are there. First one it is the prosthetic group. Now these prosthetic group they have classified the coenzymes to three different categories. First one it is the prosthetic group. Now this prosthetic group will tightly bind to the enzyme and it will facilitate the reaction. क्या है ये एंजाइम है आपका. now substrate है यार. now substrate it is having a different type of key and the lock is completely different over there. It cannot be bind. देखिए ये एक एंजाइम है, ये सिर्फ इमेजिनेशन के लिए आपको समझ में आना बता रहा हूँ मैं. एक एंजाइम है, एक सबस्ट्रेट है. Now these are two different things are there. They cannot be fit properly. And these enzymes has been designed to work on this substrate only. But their active sites are different. So what to do? Now these coenzymes will become a major role, will play a major role over here. They will come in between and these things will go into coenzymes. So it will be acting as a mediator. ठीक होगी बात? It will be acting as a mediator. Now these coenzymes can be divided into three different categories. First one is the prosthetic group. Now these prosthetic groups will closely, tightly attach to the enzyme. They are always tightly attached to the enzyme. So they will be tightly attached to the enzyme. हाँ नहीं थोड़े ऐसे रिएक्शंस होते हैं जिसमें कोएंजाइम्स आते हैं मिला देते हो तो प्यार करने वालों को मिलाते हो नहीं मिलना चाह रहे तो भी जबरदस्ती मिलाना चाह रहे रिएक्शन होना है हाँ, ये ऐसा कहीं भी है, आगे के लेक्चर्स में समझ में आता है। ड्रग थेरेपी सिस्टम्स वाले पढ़ो, आगे समझ में आता है कई बार। ठीक है, ओके, समझ में वेरी। The first thing it is the prosthetic group. Now prosthetic group is a very mighty type of group that will be tightly bind to the enzyme, tightly bind to the enzyme. ठीक है, second thing it is a cofactor. Second thing it is a cofactor. Cofactor. Now these cofactors are like opportunistic. ठीक है, very like opportunistic. Whenever the enzyme needs special type of thing, then only they will jump into the molecules and they will provide the support to the enzyme. ठीक है, for an example, NADH, FADH. Citric cycle उसमें देखें नाम, यूरिया cycle नाम देखें. So this will be acting as a cofactor, more accelerating to the reaction, और speed करना है reaction. If these are the highly energy bound, so if they are going to see, पहले तो एंजाइम बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सीलरेट हो रहा, उसमें और आपको लगाना है, रिएक्शन स्पीड करना है. तो ऐसे टाइप के मॉलिक्यूल्स जो जंप करके रिएक्शन में they will more accelerate the reaction, so those kind of things will be called as a cofactor. Now these cofactor will not tightly bind to the enzyme. They are not tightly bound. What is the difference between the prosthetic group and the cofactors? They are tightly bound, they are loosely bound, and they are always present with the enzyme. But these are not always present with the enzyme. Whenever there is a need, then only they will come into the action. जब जरूरत है जब ही चालू है, जब जरूरत नहीं है तो नहीं है. थोड़ा दूसरा नहीं देता, जरूरत के टाइम पे चलता. तो मानना आसान है. They accelerate the reaction. They accelerate. उन्हें tightly bound है. नहीं उन्हें accelerate है. हाँ? एलर्जी पूछना है कुछ?
वो प्रोस्थेटिक ग्रुप एंजाइम के साथ नहीं रहता,
नहीं रहता.
ये कोफैक्टर.
आप लिख लो. हाँ, coming to the third type of category, that is the metal ions. Metal ions. Now these metal ions are also going to accelerate the reaction whenever you are going to have the heat. ठीक है? So the coenzyme that has been categorized into three different categories based on their nature and based on their action. First one is the
Prosthetic
group. Second thing is the
cofactor.
Third thing is the
मेटल आयन.
ठीक है. The simple reaction देखिए that you going to find out. देखिए एंजाइम प्लस सबस्ट्रेट. अब आपको मालूम है एंजाइम किसको बोलते हैं, आपको मालूम है सबस्ट्रेट किसको बोलते हैं. एंजाइम प्लस सबस्ट्रेट, they are going to have a reversible reaction and the complex they are going to get formed is a enzyme substrate complex.
प्लस प्रोडक्ट.
एंजाइम और सबस्ट्रेट दोनों अगर मिल गए तो that will be called as a एंजाइम सबस्ट्रेट कॉम्प्लेक्स. और ये रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन है. रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन का मतलब क्या है?
इधर भी हो सकता
फिर
है.
इन लोगों को अगर तोड़ दिया तो फिर एंजाइम और सबस्ट्रेट मिल सकते हैं. तो एंजाइम प्लस सबस्ट्रेट together with the visible particles as a enzyme substrate complex. Now, if the reaction is going to get occur in vivo and in vitro. In vivo मतलब
Inside.
the body. In vitro outside. In vivo or in vitro, they are going to get a thing called enzyme plus product.
In vitro.
Enzyme plus product. The substrate was glucose. On that glucose, the enzyme has been got work, and they have turned up into the molecule called glucose 6-phosphate. Here was glucokinase or hexokinase. क्या पता चला what they are going to say? Substrate, enzyme plus substrate. Togetherly they will be called as an enzyme substrate complex. When the reaction is going to get happen, these glucose have turned up into the glucose 6-phosphate. So it will be given, the enzyme has been given this thing as a product to us. And while they have turned the glucose into the glucose 6-phosphate, the enzyme will leave from this place and the substrate has been turned up into the product. Simple. Okay? So enzyme plus substrate, togetherly they will be called as the enzyme substrate complex. When the reaction is going to get happen, you will going to get the product plus enzyme, because first only we have decided and we have said that enzyme will involve in the reaction, but they are not going to change their structure. They will accelerate the reaction, they will come out of the reaction. The same way, the substrate has been got involved, the substrate has been turned up into the product, and the enzymes has again ready to bind some another substrate. Same way, enzyme plus substrate has given rise to the enzyme substrate complex. Later on, the substance has been converted into the product. Now you have been left out with the enzyme and the product. If the reaction is happening inside the body, the product will be colorless. But if the reaction is happening outside the body, in the laboratory, the product will be in the color.
ELISA टेस्ट करते हो इसमें.
Best example it is ELISA test. समझ में आई बात? So enzyme plus substrate will going to give rise to the enzyme substrate complex, and that enzyme substrate complex will giving you the enzyme and the product. The substrate has been converted into the product. Okay? So we have learned that the enzymes are the biocatalysts, is the specific interactions, and the thermoliable, and most of the enzymes are protein in the nature. Not all the enzymes are protein in the nature. Most of the enzymes are protein in the nature. Exceptions are there. Apart from that, we have seen the concept of coenzyme, coenzyme, and the coenzyme. We have also gone through the enzyme substrate and enzyme substrate complex, and the how the product is going to get formed. In vivo अगर form हो रहा, colorless product होगा. In vitro अगर हो रहा, colorless product form होगा. ठीक है?